Just one single pattern helped me to successfully predict a bullish movement on gold before FOMC and Fed interest rate decision on Wednesday. In this video, I will teach you the best pattern to trade the news. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Now, we see this bullish candle, and this candle closes in 30 minutes. And the candle close can be an important bullish clue for us. Yes, so for now, from a current perspective, technicals definitely support bulls. And if the 4-hour candle closes above the range of the Mother's bar, I guess, that will increase the chances that the market will go higher. So this video was recorded on TradingView 2 hours before FOMC. And in that video, I discussed the inside bar formation. It turned out that before FOMC, gold started to consolidate. And even though initially we saw a strong bearish movement on the 4-hour, before the news, the market started to stagnate and trade within a very narrow range. And here, what I spotted was a classic inside bar formation, traders. Yes. And here is the so-called Mother's bar. And you can see that the consequent candles were trading within the range of the Mother's bar. Yes, perfectly respecting its boundaries. Why is it so important? When the market consolidates, when the market is trading within a very narrow range, it tells us that bulls and bears are weak. And the market participants agree about current prices, and for that reason, the market consolidates. But while the market is consolidating, big money are waiting for the clues. They are waiting for the fundamentals. They are waiting for some statistics. They are waiting for the data to decide where the market will go next. And of course, traders, big money get the data, the information before us, the retail traders. And of course, the price immediately reacts. So before the news, the market formed that inside bar formation. And what we know about that pattern is that the breakout of the range of the Mother's bar shows us the future direction of the market. Before FOMC, the market formed this bullish candle. And this bullish candle closed above the range of the Mother's bar. Why is it so important, traders? It shows us that bulls started to dominate. It shows us the willingness of buyers to buy. It looks like the big players found the reason to push the price higher. It was immediately reflected. But in order to better understand this pattern, let's check what happened on lower time frames. We are on an hourly time frame, and here we can see in details what was happening within that inside bar formation that we spotted on the 4-hour. Here we can spot a perfect horizontal range. Yes, you can see that here we got a very nice minor resistance that the price was perfectly respecting. And here we got a very nice minor support. And you can see that the price was setting equal highs, equal lows, and the market was definitely in equilibrium. But a couple of hours before FOMC, when everyone was waiting for the news, suddenly we see a strong bullish candle here in an hourly time frame. For some reason, yes, someone decided to buy, and someone decided to buy with very high volumes, right? And of course, that was the main clue for me to predict that the news will be bullish for gold. And you can see that then, after a retest of a broken resistance of the range, we saw a very strong bullish rally. But let me show you how exactly you should have treated that. In order to treat inside bar formation properly, follow these 3 simple steps. First of all, spot the pattern, spot the modest bar, and at least 2 candles trading within the range of the modest bar. The second step is to wait for a breakout. Yes, and remember that the range of the modest bar can be broken to the downside and to the upside. The breakout to the downside will most likely push the price lower, while a bullish breakout will push the price higher. And then the third step is, once the market violates the range of the modest bar, set your buy limit order if we have a bullish breakout, and set your buy limit order on a retest of a broken upper boundary of the range of the modest bar. Yes, you set your buy limit order, you set your stop loss strictly below the lows of the pattern, right? And then, just for targets, check the closest strong structures. Our first strong structure is over here. Yes, that cluster. So your target should have been over here. And your second target should have been over here based on the next strong resistance, right? So it is very simple. And remember that if your trading terminal does not support 2 targets, you can trade just with the 1 target. Here is the strategy. Once you spotted important fundamental news coming, always monitor 4-hour and 1-hour time frames. Look for inside bar pattern formation. And traders, trust me, that patterns appears very often before the news. Traders, let me know in the comment section if you want me to share with you more tips about news trading. Also, traders, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. If you want more education, if you want to see how I trade live, don't forget to check my trading academy. The link in the description below. Also, traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching.